Look at this, guys, a beautiful piece of Aussie muscle. It's an LX Hatch 1977, valued at $150,000. Let's have a look at the interior. It's got a Tri-matic shifter, it's got black vinyl aftermarket seats in the front. In the back, it's a factory bench, brand new black carpets, beautiful sound system, SS decals, SS steering wheel, it's got the lot. Let's look at the heartthrob that pushes this baby along the road. It's a 308 Holden engine, pushed along with a 3-speed Tri-matic gearbox with the shifter, obviously. And it goes right back to the Banjo differential, which pushes this baby right along the road. Have a go at the exterior on this LX. It's beautiful gunmetal grey, sitting on hot wire wheels with disc brakes on the front and stock drums on the back. Upgraded suspension system. It's got A9X flares on it, make it the nice wide body that it is. It's a beauty. This is truly a beautiful restoration. Every nut and bolt's been replaced on this thing. If you want it in your garage, it's an LX 1977, painted in gunmetal grey. There's one way to do it, that's get a package. Paddy here from Classics, we proudly support veterans.